You're recording me?
Just you opening this gift.
That one? I have to open
Yes.
it right now?
Yes, you have to open this gift.
Right now, right now?
Yes, right now, right now.
How am I going to open it?
Okay, hold on.
We have scissors.
You gotta open it with this.
The dogs are around. No!
Not gonna be bad.
Move, Night. No, move.
Watch out.
No, move.
That's one.
This thing is not very sharp.
I know.
Just watch the dogs, please.
I am watching them. Look, now you're getting the hang of it. There you go. You gotta open up the tape too.
No, don't.
Okay.
I knew this what this was. I'm excited. I don't have to jump in the car anymore.
Oh boy, watch it. Yeah, nice. Ooh, oh man, guys, I almost messed up, didn't I?
It was almost tragic.
But Knight saved it. But today's video is going to be about me installing, what do you want to call these? Like side steps or sidebars or, yeah, side steps, side rails. That's what it is. We're going to install side rails on the side of the FJ today. All right, first thing you need to do is take it out the box. Make sure you got everything that you need. Second thing you need to do is, there's two bolts right here. There's two bolts that's like this far apart right here. And then there's another two bolts like that right here. You need to take all those off. Should be a 12 millimeter. So it should be 6 bolts you need to take out. You won't need them anymore because it comes with it. First thing you need to pull out is this box full of your hardware. It also comes with your instructions. We don't need those. That's why we're watching this video. This is your nuts and bolts. It comes with washers and lock washers and bolts. These goes in the front because see how much wider that is between these two bolts compared to the two that goes in the back.
Action.
Okay. Make sure that sharp edge is facing up against the car while the beveled edge is facing against the nut. That keeps it locked on tight so you don't have to worry about it backing out or anything like that. So you need 2 of these. They're different sizes.
Uh-oh.
No, it's all good.
You sure you don't need those instructions?
It's all good.
Okay, okay.
We just gonna see which one fits.
Oh, okay.
Yep, the smaller one fits. So you need the smaller ones. So you need 2 of these. And just kind of hand start them. Put like 6 or 7 turns on it.
Being a camera woman's hard. You give me the hardest job.
How did you get the hardest job? You want to put these in? You want to put these
I
in?
don't know what I'm doing.
Well, guess what? You're going to do the other side.
What?
Yeah. These are not a 12 anymore. So it's a 16. The new bolts are 16s. The old bolts are 12s. These not a 16. I don't know what's going on with these bolts. Literally all of these are 16s except for those. They're 13s. And you want to kind of keep it loose because you're going to have to be moving around a little bit more just to put the rail on. But we can go ahead and put on the 2 smaller ones, which are right here. Put the 2 bolts up here, like the same way that you did up here. Snug them. So you still have some movement, but it's tight. And we're gonna do the same thing with that one. And then we're gonna put the actual bar on here.
Action.
You don't have to say action. I can hear it.
Directors always say action.
Okay. Now that we got all 3 on, now we're gonna put the actual side steps on. This look like this is the, pretty sure this is the passenger side. Yeah, it's the passenger side.
How can you tell?
You see how these are closer together than that?
Uh-huh.
You see how close that is?
Mm-hmm. I see what you're saying. Okay. If you were to flip it, it wouldn't match. I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. Makes total sense. You're so smart.
See? This is why we had the how-to videos. So here's the driver's side. This is what I was talking about. So now it fits like this. Get 2 of the bigger bolts, these, and you put them in here. The smaller one goes into the frame of the car. The bigger ones goes into the actual step. I guess more heavy duty. Heavy dutier. Dutier. Yeah. But again, you put them on, start about like 5 threads, 5, 6, 7, whatever you want to do it. And pretty sure these are 16s.
Are you sure?
Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
They're 16s. And same thing, you want to snug them down. Don't tighten them all the way up because you want to make sure that they're straight. We're going to do the same thing to these 2 sides. And then we tighten everything down. Once we tighten everything down, we're going to test it out, see if it holds us up.
Oh, Lord have mercy. That's scary.
I'm just saying, we got to test it out.
Are you going to test it out or am I going to test it out?
Well, I mean, it's your truck.
Are you going to catch me if I fall?
Try to. Now, if you hit your head, that... Alright, yeah, I'll try my best to get you.
Lord. Now I'm scared.
Alright, so we got it on. All the bolts are in. It's still loose. So what we're going to do is make sure it's where we kind of want it to be. Now, we're going to tighten everything down. So what you want to do is tighten down the bolts underneath the car, which is the frame, and then tighten down the bolts that's holding this in. Go ahead and get you an extension because you're going to need one for the front ones between the rails, and get to tighten.
You good?
Oh, I need safety glasses.
Do you really?
Well, I'm not going to look now. You got a lot of dirt and sand underneath here. Last 2 for the frame. About 3 ugga-duggas should do it. You don't know what ugga-duggas are?
I've just never heard somebody say that out loud.
Ugga-duggas?
Yeah.
You know. This gonna be a little bit tighter, but that's 1. That's 2. 2 ugga-duggas.
You're talking about the ugga-duggas in like the form of the air tools.
Yes.
That doesn't really ugga-dugga.
It does ugga-dugga.
I don't really feel like it ugga-duggas.
Alright, miss. Don't know what ugga-duggas are. Now you get your 16. You probably don't need an extension for this, but I'm going to use one anyway. Yeah, you do. And you tighten up your bar. Clack-a-tack. Instead of ugga-duggas, clack-a-tacks. Yeah, I like that. Clack-a-tacks. Alright, that's one side finished. Now we got to test it out. Make sure everything is good. I'm holding the camera, so I don't think I would be able to catch you.
It's okay. I'll do it like this, that way I can.
All right, I think we're good. Now let's put on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the little brackets to put them underneath it, but she gonna put the bar on.
Okay, fine.
That cool?
It's fine.
There we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, and then we'll get to the part where she puts the bar on. So, in a minute. You ready?
No.
Oh shoot, they was supposed to see that yet. All right, go ahead and start. You got it?
Gotta figure out where the holes are at.
So she put this side on. So now I'm gonna test it and see if it hopefully I don't fall. Alright. It's pretty decent.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Hello, night.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a lot better. Don't you like it? Alright guys, so
Focus.
there we go. Alright, so we got the side skirts on. Not side skirts.
Side rails.
Yes, side rails, side steps, whatever you want to call it. We got it on, and do you like them?
Yes. I did not have to jump in. He didn't even use them.
Yeah, I completely forgot I put them on there, and I just kind of jumped in the car like I normally do. But eventually, I'm gonna start using them. But they look nice. I do like them, so it's all right. If you want to check them out, link down below of where I got it from, so you can check it out. Also, if you want to get one, you can get some too. All right.
Yep. Highly recommended. They're good.
All right. That's about it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and a Merry Christmas to y'all. I'm probably going to end up either posting this later on today or on my birthday. That's it. Go ahead, close it out.